Welcome back to History Hall of Fame, where we bring the past to life. Today we're diving into a topic that has shaped the very fabric of American society, the labor movement. As we approach Labor Day, a holiday often associated with barbecues and the end of summer, let's take a moment to remember the real reason behind this day: the hard-fought battles for workers' rights. From the 19th century to today, the struggle for fair wages, safe working conditions, and reasonable hours has been a driving force in American history. But how did we get here? Let's explore some of the key moments that defined the labor movement in the United States. Our story begins in 1894 with the Pullman strike, one of the most significant labor conflicts in U.S. history. The Pullman Company, known for manufacturing luxurious railroad cars, had cut wages without reducing rent in the company-owned town where workers lived. This led to a nationwide railroad strike, crippling rail traffic and drawing the attention of President Grover Cleveland. Cleveland sent federal troops to break the strike, resulting in violent clashes and multiple deaths. While the strike was ultimately unsuccessful, it highlighted the growing tension between labor and management in the rapidly industrializing United States. To appease the public and workers alike, just 6 days after the strike ended, President Cleveland signed Labor Day into law as a national holiday. A small victory for workers, but also a reminder of the struggle that lay ahead. Next, we travel to Chicago in 1886, a city at the heart of the labor movement. Workers were demanding an 8-hour workday and tensions were high. On May 4th, a peaceful rally in Haymarket Square turned tragic when a bomb was thrown at police officers, leading to gunfire and chaos. The Haymarket affair became a turning point in labor history, symbolizing the struggle for workers' rights but also leading to a backlash against labor unions, which were unfairly blamed for the violence. Despite the controversy, the fight for the 8-hour workday continued, and May 1st, known as International Workers' Day, became a day of remembrance and action worldwide. Fast forward to 1911, to one of the most tragic events in American labor history, the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory fire in New York City. The factory employed young immigrant women who worked long hours in dangerous conditions. When a fire broke out, locked doors and inadequate safety measures trapped workers inside, leading to the deaths of 146 people. This tragedy shocked the nation and led to major reforms in workplace safety. The fire became a catalyst for change, sparking new labor laws and stronger unions that demanded better conditions for all workers. These stories are just a few examples of the countless struggles that shaped the labor movement in America. From the Industrial Revolution to today's gig economy, workers have continuously fought for fair treatment and rights. Labor Day serves as a reminder of these battles and the progress that has been made, but also of the challenges that still lie ahead. So, as you enjoy your day off this Labor Day, take a moment to reflect on the sacrifices made by those who came before us. Their stories are a testament to the power of collective action and the enduring spirit of the American worker. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of the labor movement. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to History Hall of Fame for more deep dives into the stories that shaped our world.